How to online reputation agency in Singapore is simpler than you think, but most people get it wrong on day one. In the next 4 minutes, you will learn how to online reputation agency in Singapore from zero to first result. No fluff. No filler. Imagine your dashboard tomorrow. Step 1. Define the outcome you want from how to online reputation agency in Singapore. Write it in one sentence. Step 2. Pick the smallest version of how to online reputation agency in Singapore you can ship today. Cut the rest. Step 3. Run the smallest version end to end. Measure what breaks. Step 4. Fix the single biggest break. Ignore the others for now. Step 5. Repeat the loop until the outcome is real. Then scale up. Now the numbers. Average cost is $120 per month. Time to first result is 7 days. Success rate after 30 days is 82%. Here's what it costs. $120 per month. Compare these two paths. DIY without a system 3 months, no result, frustration. Versus, how to online reputation agency in Singapore with this plan 7 days, first result, momentum. Look at this detail. Skip the warning at your own risk. Most how to online reputation agency in Singapore guides skip the measurement step. That is why most how to online reputation agency in Singapore attempts die in week 2. The number one mistake is starting with the tool. Tools come last. Outcome comes first. Quick checklist before you start. This is the form you fill in. Here's the full loop. Most people quit at week 2. Don't. So, define the outcome, ship the smallest version, measure, fix the biggest break, repeat. That is how to online reputation agency in Singapore. Tap the link in the description. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.